English letters that Korean alphabet doesn't have.
Welcome to another video at KSTYLEyo. My name is Inyoung. If you're interested in learning Korean language and culture, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so that you don't miss anything. So today I'm gonna talk about all the English letters that Korean doesn't have. So how can you possibly make this sound or write something that Korean doesn't have? So today I'm gonna show you how you can convert those English letters into Korean step by step and also give you examples so that you can understand them better. Let's get started! So now I'm gonna go through 6 different English sounds and how Koreans convert them into Korean. So the first one is F sound. So Korean alphabet doesn't have F. F generally becomes 2, Korean H and P. Fighting. Have you ever heard fighting? This is one way for Koreans to cheer each other, go, go, Inyoung. So since we don't have F sound, we use Korean H, 화이팅. Sometimes we use P sound even for that, 파이팅 or 화이팅. Either is fine. For the word that we always make it into P is coffee. We don't say coffee unless you want to sound like you know some English. Copy is the way Koreans write and say. Don't get confused with copy. This is not about copying your pages. You have to make sure it is all about copy. So you can say 커피 주세요. Please give coffee. 커피 주세요. Second English letter is R and the third one is L. I'm gonna explain those together because Koreans don't have R or L. We actually use one Korean consonant that represents both. So this letter will handle both R and L. For example, the first one, orange. It is R in English. We're gonna use this Korean consonant, 오렌지. 오렌지. So you have to relax your tongue to say because this Korean consonant, when it's placed as the first consonant of the syllable, you have to relax your tongue. L. When it's the last consonant of the syllable, you're gonna roll slightly, but not quite as much as R in English. So another example for this, rollerblade. Rollerblade in English word. It's got R and L. So even though it's got 2 different sounds in English, R or L, but in Korean we represent with one consonant. 롤러브레이드. 롤러브레이드. So you notice I kind of roll my tongue a little bit. 롤, 러. The second part I have to relax my tongue. 롤러브레이드. So this is a rollerblade. The third one that we don't have in Korean alphabet is TH sound. This is more related to sound than the letter itself, but TH, if you see thank you in English, in Korean, since we don't have the sound, we're gonna convert that into double D. Thank you. Thank you. Or we're gonna use double S sometimes. Thank you. Thank you. How about thrill? When you feel thrill, then we use 스릴. There is thrill. 스릴 있다. It's thrilling. That's when you say 스릴 있다. Have you ever heard this Korean cosmetic brand? The Face Shop. The Face Shop. It is still written as TH in English. This is the sound. We don't have this sound either in Korean. So we're gonna use D sound. The Face Shop. As you notice, we don't have F sound like I mentioned. I used P. The Face Shop. 오늘 The Face Shop에 갈까? Shall we go to the face shop? The first one is V. We don't have V in Korean alphabet. So often we're gonna convert that into B. So if you wear V-neck shirt, you're gonna say V-neck, V-neck. 저는 V-neck 입는 거 좋아해요. I like wearing V-neck shirt. 저는 V-neck 입는 걸 좋아해요. How about Victoria? Have you been to Victoria Island in Vancouver, Canada? Victoria. We say 빅토리아. 빅토리아. The last one. We don't have Z sound. So this one, we convert it into Korean J. For example, zebra, zebra, almost like J. Sometimes either J or Z in English, the meaning changes. It is completely different word. But in Korean, we cannot distinguish J and Z, so we end up using J. 지브라, 지브라. How about zone? Zone. You go to some kind of zone. Then we say 존, 존. It sounds like almost someone's name, John, right? We say 존 in Korean. Hopefully I didn't miss anything here in this video. If I did, please leave a comment down below. If you know more examples, also share with others so that we can learn all together. If you like this video and it was helpful for you, please give it a like, share this video with your friends and families. Then I see you guys next time. Bye bye.